Hi guys, it's Fiona again from Lavender Blue, and I'm here to share a couple of finished journals that I made today. So I'm going to do a flip through of these two, and these are both traveller's notebook size, or they are roughly 11 centimetres by 21 centimetres, and this one is a floral themed one, which I've made from just some scrapbooking papers and book pages and other papers that I had. And this one here is made from a digital kit that's in my shop, and it's butterfly themed. So I'll start with this one. It's got a couple of little beads at the bottom here, and it's got some fabric tabs and lace with some little beads and charms. And the cover is actually made from 2 tall envelopes, which I have covered with some cardstock patterned paper. Some beautiful floral paper that I had. And then on the front I've just got a little tag that says a perfect moment, or a label. And then a piece of vellum here that says it's a wonderful world. And the closure is just some lovely silk fabric, which I've put through an eyelet. So in the front I have a pocket, but I've left this pocket empty for you to put whatever you like. There's some more beautiful floral paper there. This is from an old photo album, and it says memories at the top. A bit of washi tape there, dictionary page, and I've got tea dyed pages, and I've done some stamping and some stenciling on the pages. Just a little collage with lace and paper, and then a little lacy tab here with a dragonfly charm. Goes that way, little dragonfly charm. Some more stenciling and stamping, and then some book pages, some more paper that I've done some collaging on, some old coffee dye music paper, and this is a tag that I made with some little beads. Little beads at the top. Another piece of floral paper, and a little fabric ruffle here, some floral fabric, some more stenciling. And here is a page from a colouring book with some beautiful flowers there. And it has more birds, a bird and more flowers on the back. Some book page with some beautiful flowers. And this is one of those flip up pockets. I think it's called a Rita Donnelly flip. And a tag that I've made from a book page. It's also got a few little charms at the top there. Some tea dyed paper. Bit more collaging, tea dyed, we call it ledger paper, and then there's a, I hope you can see, I hope this has been in frame. There's a lace tab, a couple of little beads on a safety pin, another book page there. This is a sticker that I had, and this page folds out. Another floral ruffle sewn on there. Another sticker there, some more stenciling and stamping. Book page, colouring in page. Love these flowers here. Some more floral paper there. another tag. I've just put some, I think it's eyelash trim, and just a little snippet of fabric there. The other side of that page, and this page flips open, and this is an envelope that I've made from a book page, and that just sits over there. Some more book page, another sticker, another little fabric tab with some red beads. I forgot to show you in the centre that that's where I've hung the beads that hang out the bottom. It's just from the centre to where I've sewn in the signatures. Some more dictionary page, another page from that old photo album, some more cardstock, and in the back I've made an envelope, and there's just some writing paper in there, some coffee dyed lined paper, and that is the back. And then it just ties around like this and ties on the opposite side. So that's that one. And the other one is pretty much the same, except I have used a digital kit for this one, and it is my Shabby Butterflies printable kit. I will link that below if you're interested. And I've used the Traveller's Notebook size kit because it comes in two sizes, Traveller's Notebook size and just ordinary A4 size. So I've got some beautiful silky fabric again here. This is one of the pages from the kit, and same on the back. It says memories, and I've cut out this piece of vellum that says only in a world of love can we unfold and bloom. Very true. In the front I have a pocket. These are all from the kit. The little label is from the kit, and so are the bingo cards. Another page from the printable kit. I've done some fussy cutting on the back, just an old book page. Here I've got a little tab with some lace and fabric, and there's a little butterfly charm. And I've done stenciling and stamping on this page. It's all these are tea dyed, not coffee dyed. Another page from the kit. Some of the pages from the kit I printed on the back, and I've actually printed with my botanical ledger paper, which is another kit. It has ledger paper with black and white botanicals and some butterflies. So I'll also link that one below if you're interested. There's another page from that photo album that I found, a book page, and just a tag that I made with some more little beads up here, and at the bottom here it has a little label, and I think all the tags have little labels, and the labels are also a printable in my shop. I'll put the link below to those as well. And this is a little lace tab with some beads there, some collaging. I've got a little envelope up here. This is from the kit. It's a little coin envelope, and that is one of the tags from the kit. I haven't used the whole kit here, but I've used some of it. there's some more of that botanical paper, some dictionary page, another tag that I've made with, I've made my tags just out of some of the pages with one of the other little labels there. And then this is from the kit, this little ticket, and I've just stuck in a little stamped tag there. Some more ledger paper, tea-dyed. Book page. This is a tuck spot. This is just a slant pocket. I made another tag with a label and put some little beads at the top here. And that's some coffee dyed, that's coffee dyed music paper. Another page from the printable, collaging, and this is another colouring in book page with some beautiful butterflies. Then it has some lovely flowers on the back. A book page, another page from the kit, and this is the botanical ledger paper and some beads that hang down the bottom. Another page from the Shabby Butterflies, another colouring page here, another little page tab and a tag. Page from the kit, this one opens out, just some tickets from the kit and a tag. Ledger paper. I've done some collaging just with some washi tape here. A fabric ruffle. This page opens out too. Tea-dyed paper. I fussy cutted a bird. This is from the Graphics Fairy. It's one of the, I think it's Katerina Klein birds. And some more butterflies from the kit, and then I made this envelope out of a leftover page. It's just, it's got nothing inside. And then this beautiful bit of lace I've sewn on there. Another tea-dyed paper, book page, fussy cut butterfly. And then in the back we have another pocket with another bingo card and some more writing paper. So that's that one. So these are both listed in my Etsy shop if you're interested, and I'll put the link below. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked my journals, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.